It was a splendid journey. With this, our director, so Boypati Cinemas, it was very easy for me to get into the role. And like I always say, that acting is not just crying, shouting, or giving a satisfied laugh. Acting is something you go into the others' spirits, others, which whose experience you haven't experienced. For me, we have done our third film in our combination. First was Simha, the second one was Legend, and the third, this one, Akhanda. All three big box offices and hits. And basically, it's always very comfortable, and because we have the same mindset, and it's very easy to work with him. And we always create trends. We never follow any trends, but we create trends, and that's why the people, even during the time of the pandemic, when we were shooting and then the films should stop. And again, the second wave started, which was more. And then during that time, the film released. Thanks to our producer, Mr. Nandamuri Reddy, for taking the daring step. All of us, for which collectively he supported us, and then the film was released and was a big success. It was not only, like you said, not only a commercial success. It's not only a commercial film. The film is a commercial film. A message-giving film or the usual the trend, if you follow the commercial trend. This film had a lot of essence about Hinduism and about our Sanatana Dharma, how to cultivate the values of life. Sanatana Dharma is nothing but the way you lead your life. Like our epics have said, Ramayana or Mahabharata, how to is what Ramayana said and how are we is what Mahabharata said. So in that way, same thing, to save our motherly earth, to save the nature, and also the good message through the child we are given, that their minds are not polluted, they are equal to God's. So it was very nice and a very good experience. Like I've done all different kinds of movies. Like I've done mythologicals, let's say Ramanajam, then I've done historicals like Gautami Buddha Shatakani, and now this film. I'm very proud to say that I'm very happy. Thanks to my producer, Mr. Enquiry, and my director, for which this film will remain in the history of the Indian film industry, especially the film industry. I'm very thankful to the people, to all the press, to the print and electronic media. Later on, when it came onto the OTT platform, also not only people from the different states, Telugu speaking Andhra and Telangana, but all over the country, the appreciation for the film. Thanks to everyone.